Alright, so here we go again, SVO. Got the header off. Saw that this is a head that came from some type of 2.3 that had like emissions holes at the bottom of the exhaust ports that were like 45-degree drilled in, and they were exiting like the bottom underneath the exhaust runner, and the header flange just didn't quite cover it, so I had to weld it in with the welder, and then I just went ahead and ground it flat and put some more of the ultra copper on there. So here we go with another test drive. All right, so here we go again. This is drive number 2. This is after getting the header all resealed back on the head and getting rid of the hole, that emissions port. So I had to go get some gas first before I started filming. And so far, 10-15 miles, haven't heard any sort of leaks or anything. So we'll see if we have any better boost response. Let's kind of see how the car runs. So just normal rattles in the car. I thought I might have heard the exhaust leak. Oh, also, I got the wastegate dump finished. It's actually a little bit quieter since it's more under the car. The flame kind of shoots at an angle down at the ground underneath the transmission, so a little bit nicer. Unfortunately, there's a few cars around me, so I can't really rip it too much, so I'll pause and see if I can get some open road. Okay, just let some cars go by. So we have some clear road here. Bend here, and I'll try and do 2, 3, 4. See where we're at. We got a little bit of open road. Just want to make sure though. Do a little. Well, let me wait for this car. Make sure there's nobody behind me. Don't really want to. This road's got a little bit too many cars on it, but it's all right. Here we go. Squirrely going from 2 to 3, but I think it's because I went through some gravel before getting back onto the road. I think it's just a little bit dirt on the tires. Alright, so all in all, I think that was pretty successful. I'm heading back home right now. It's about time to pick up kiddo from preschool, so I'm very happy. I've been in the car for over 20 minutes, been running for a long time, and haven't developed an exhaust leak yet, so I think I can consider that pretty well fixed for now, and look forward to making more videos soon.